Good morning, T.Y.B.Sc students. In previous lecture, we have taken proof of 4 properties. Now, in this lecture, we take proof of 5th property. The property is p dash n plus 1 of x minus p dash n minus 1 of x equal to twice n plus 1 p n x. Now, in order to prove this property, we have to consider the property second. The property second is n plus 1 pn plus 1 of x plus n pn minus 1 of x equal to twice n plus 1 x pn x. Further, we differentiate this property second with respect to x. So, I will write here differentiating with respect to x. So, we get n plus 1 p dash n plus 1 of x plus n p dash n minus 1 of x equal to twice n plus 1. Here there are two functions x and p and x. So here we use product rule. So write p n of x plus twice n plus 1 x pn dash x. Now in next step we multiply this equation by 2. So we write here multiplying throughout by 2. Hence we get 2 times n plus 1 pn plus 1 of x p dash plus twice n pn dash n minus 1 of x equal to 2 times twice n plus 1 in bracket into pn x plus 2 times twice n plus 1 x pn dash x. This equation we call first. Then in next step we consider the property third. The property third is p dash n plus 1 of x plus p dash n minus 1 of x equal to 2x pn dash x plus pn x. So to this property we multiply throughout by twice n plus 1. Now multiplying throughout by twice n plus 1. So we can write twice n plus 1 p dash n plus 1 of x plus twice n plus 1 p dash n minus 1 of x equal to twice n plus 1 2x pn dash x plus twice n plus 1 and pn x. So name this equation second. Then in next step we have to subtract equation second from equation first. Then we will get the property given here. So to do the subtraction, I will write here the equation that is twice n plus 1 dash n plus 1 of x, then plus twice n plus 1, then next term is p dash n minus 1 of x equal to next term is twice n plus 1, then 2x pn dash x plus twice n plus 1 pn of x. Right? Then we do subtraction, and when we do subtraction, then what we get? Like here the remaining term is only p dash n plus 1 of x, and here we write one quantity, that is minus sign, and we write this p dash n minus 1 of x equal to twice n plus 1 p n of x, because this term and this term will get cancelled. This is 2x twice n plus 1 p n dash x, and this term here get cancelled. So write here this, and we write that is twice n plus 1 p n x, twice n plus 1 p n of x. So this is the proof of property fifth. Okay. Then we consider next property, number is 6. Property 6, and this property is p dash n plus 1 of x that is equal to n plus 1, then p n of x plus x p n dash x. So we have to prove this property, and to prove this property again we consider the property second. So property second is like this, right here. To write this property, that is n plus 1, then p n plus 1 of x, right, then plus n p n minus 1 of x equal to twice n plus 1 x p n of x. So in next step we differentiate this equation with respect to x. Right here, differentiating with respect to x. So we get it. Right here, n plus 1 p dash n plus 1 of x plus n p dash n minus 1 of x equal to, again here there are two functions x and p and x, so we use product rule, twice n plus 1 p of x plus twice n plus 1 x p n dash x. Okay, we write this equation as A, right? Then we consider the equation, the result of equation 5 or result of property 5, and the result of property 5 is here. So we write here, that is p dash n plus 1 of x minus p dash n minus 1 of x equal to twice n plus 1 n of x, right? Then to this result we are going to multiply fraud by n. So right here, multiplying fraud by n. So we write this n p dash n plus 1 of x minus n p dash n minus 1 of x equal to n twice n plus 1 n of x. The name equation B. Then in next step we have to add equation A and B. So we adding this equation, write again p dash n plus 1 of x minus p dash n minus 1 of x equal to twice n plus 1. Now first we write this equation. This is the equation A. Right? N plus 1 p dash n plus 1 of x plus n p dash n minus 1 of x equal to twice n plus 1 pn x plus twice n plus 1 x p dash n x, and this is the equation B. Right? So we add this equation. Therefore write here n p dash n plus 1 of x minus n p dash n minus 1 of x equal to n into twice n plus 1, then n of x. Right? So when we add this equation, then you can write the property, that is here n p dash n minus 1 of x, and there n p dash n minus 1 of x get cancelled. Right? This is the n plus 1 and this is the n. So we take common this, that is p dash n plus 1 of x. Then we can write this, that is n plus 1 into n. Right here twice n plus 1, then p dash n plus 1 of x equal to, in next step write twice 2 times n plus 1 twice n plus 1, then n of x in, and here write this n as a n plus 1. This is the first term, and in next term we write, that is plus twice n plus 1 x n dash x. Okay? So to this equation we divide by twice n plus 1. So the result is p dash n plus 1 of x equal to, here we write n plus 1 n of x plus x n dash x. So this and this equation is same, and hence it is the proof of property 6. So with this lecture I stop here, and we will meet in the next lecture. Have a good day.